What's going on, YouTube family? It's your boy Chef Timmy Jay, and today I am going to show you how we make deep fried chicken in my Warren. That's right, I have a Warren deep fryer. I probably bought this thing maybe about 3 or 4 years ago, but I'm gonna put it to the test and see whether it can still make perfect deep fried chicken. I got that coming up for you folks. Also, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Make sure you follow my channel. This is Chef Timmy Jay, and today again I'm going to be showing you how we make deep fried chicken in our Warren deep fryer. So buckle up folks and let's get to cooking. All right, YouTube family, so I've got you inside of my bowl, and what I have here is actually a flour mixture. So this is some flour, a little bit of Knorr's bouillon, a little bit of pepper in here, because that is the breading we're gonna need for these nice fried chicken drums. Also, what we have is our eggs. So I've got about 4 eggs here, 1 2 3 4 brown eggs, and this is going to be used to make our egg wash. Also, stars of the show coming up, panning, we've got our Lowry seasoning salt. If you can see that there, that's the Lowry seasoning salt. Beside the seasoning salt, we've got some onion powder, folks. That's right, we've got a little bit of onion powder, and then of course we've got some garlic powder. And then down in front here, I've got a little bit of milk. And this is right, that's right, just a little bit of milk, folks. This is actually going to be about 1 tablespoon of milk, and we'll use that when we splash it inside of our egg wash. And then we've got the star of the show, folks. One of the stars, co-stars, is our chicken. And these drums, ladies and gentlemen, I had prepared a marinade, and they have been just marinated and soaking in here overnight. This was a little bit of milk, hot salt, a little bit of peppers. Not too hot because I don't want to, my wife doesn't like too spicy food, so I just put a little bit of hot sauce in here. But this is a nice mixture. And so folks, I'll get all of this hooked up for you. I've got our rack here because I'll show you how that rack comes into play, and we'll get this started. So buckle up and let's get to cooking. All right, family, so we've got our ingredients, and here's that chicken that has been marinating pretty much all night long. At least about 12 hours in my special marinade. It's really good. And so I've already got our egg wash over here, as you can see, and then our flour. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to take your chicken, and even though it's been soaking and marinating all night, leave it in this liquid. This is really good liquid. This is all of your flavor. If you can see that chicken there, that is nothing but flavor. That's exactly what you want on these chicken wings. They're going to be really good, flavored all the way down to the bone. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off by taking one of these chicken drums, and I'm going to dip it in my egg wash. I'm just coating it all in my egg wash, and then I'm going to take it over here to my flour. And then what we want to do is roll it around, and we want to cover it. You want to press it really good, all in this flour. Definitely take your time, because you want to make sure that you give each chicken a lot of love. This is what's going to give you that deep, crispy fried chicken flavor. Just making sure you have all of that chicken. See how that looks? That's what we want right there, folks. That's exactly what you want. And then once we have coated our drum, I'm going to move this chicken out the way, just to the side here, and I'm going to take it and I'm going to place it on my rack, and I'm actually going to let it sit on that rack for at least 5 minutes. And so I'm going to do the process again. I'm going to take some of our chicken, I'm going to put it, mix it in our egg wash, definitely get that egg on there, and then I'm taking it and I'm dumping it in our flour. And I'm just coating it all in the flour, just pressing it down, mashing it down. You want it to definitely stick on your chicken, because this, again, is going to give it that deep fried chicken flavor. And then we're going to sit that on our rack. And so I'll get all of this seasoned and coat it up for you folks. And then when I return, we'll get over to the deep fryer so you guys can actually see me drop this chicken down in the deep fryer. We'll probably cook it for at least 8 minutes. We'll check the internal temp, make sure it's at 165. And ladies and gentlemen, we should have what you call the perfect game-changing deep fried chicken in our Warren. So stay tuned, folks. Be right back. YouTube family, I couldn't resist. I just had to show y'all a sneak peek. We still have about 1.5 minutes to go before we pull this chicken, but just look at that, folks. Look at how that Warren deep fryer is just frying this chicken. It looks truly amazing. This chicken is gonna be so good, it's gonna make you wanna slap your mama, or maybe not slap your mama, but give her a kiss first and then slap her again later. So again, folks, we got about 1 minute and 50 seconds to go before we pull this and test it out, but I'll get it plated up. Had to show you guys this. Keep watching, be right back. And here we are, YouTube family. This is our deep fried chicken in the Warren Professional Deep Fryer. This chicken is just amazing. So you guys know I have to take a bite. Oh my goodness. It looks like it cooked to perfection. So here's a piece. Oh my goodness. And it is hot. Look at that there, folks. If you can see this chicken, this is just really done well. Deep fried homemade chicken, no artificial flavors. YouTube, here, first bite's yours. Go ahead. It's yours, YouTube. All right, next bite is mine. All right, YouTube, I'm going in. Look at that, YouTube. Look at that bite. That is what you call perfectly cooked and seasoned fried chicken. I definitely want you guys to try and make this recipe. It's really easy, really fun. Please, again, if you haven't hit that like and subscribe button, please go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. Chef Timmy Jay, see you in the next one. Peace.